A pawn can move 2 steps at a time at the beginning only, or in any other situation can move 1. A pawn kills by going in a diagonal position. The knight moves in an L shape. They can, or the only piece that can hop over pieces from black to white.
The bishops move diagonally as many squares as you want.
The rooks can move straight, backwards, or to the side as many squares as
Queens can move in any direction as many squares as you want.
Kings can move in any direction that they want, except they can only move 1 square per turn.